Somebody recently asked me, Joe, how do I build my profile so that I literally sound amazing? How do I build my profile to really, really sound amazing? And what I told them was, let me show you how to do that. Let me show you how to build your profile so you sound amazing. Now, the first thing I want you to realize is that LinkedIn is an extremely powerful platform. There's over 1 billion people on LinkedIn. So if you want to see my profile on LinkedIn, this is what you do. You go to linkedin.com/in/Joe Apfelbaum. You go down over here where it says repurposed content from creators in 2020-202. I don't even know why it's using this. It should not be using this here. Are we live right now? Oh my goodness. LinkedIn is an extremely powerful platform. We are live right now. All right. Look, I tried to call this something else. I wanted to call this the persona thing. So let me see if I can edit this while I'm here. Let's see if I can edit this. Edit post. Okay, I'm going to say create AI personas on train AI so it knows who you are and how you want to sound on LinkedIn. Here is how to do it step by step. All right, let's break it down. Ooh, I like that. Train AI. And let's also go to YouTube real quick and just see if we can edit the YouTube as well. Edit here. I cannot edit this. Do it. Edit video. Okay. And then I'm going to put in http://www.linkedin.com/in/Joe Apfelbaum and also http://www.eviai.com. Not made for kids. Save. All right. Let's just see if this worked. Aha. Aha. It worked. Put in http://. Okay, good. So that worked. Let's see. Let's look at my profile real quick on LinkedIn just to kind of see what's cooking here. See if this works. Oh my God, look at that. I got someone to give me a little heart here. Michael. Michael, what's cooking? Michael, what's cooking? Michael, what is cooking? Thanks a lot for the love. Michael, if you're watching this, say I'm watching this in the chat. Curious to know if you are watching this or if you're not watching this. But let's make a persona. My team asked me to make several personas. Let's say, for example, for Faggy. I think I made a persona already for Faggy, and I sent it to her. But let me just double check. Let me go to Faggy's profile. Yeah, I think I made a persona for her. Let me go to Claude. And let me go to profile optimization tips. Turn these tips into this. Let me go here to my view all. Search Faggy. Nope. I haven't done that. All right. Is what it is. Let's go ahead and do this now. So step number 1 is I'm going to pull her full profile from LinkedIn using my LinkedIn profile saver. So I went ahead and grabbed her entire profile. I press copy. Now I have all information from her profile, and I'm going to say, use the information from this profile to create a solid persona for this person. All right, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'll create a detailed persona for this person right here. You see this? Now off this, what I can do is I can create 10 distinct personas for my school community. So I'm going to go to school.com. I'm going to type in 10 personas. And I'm going to say, I'm going to go here. Copy this. I'm going to say create 10 personas for Faggy that are like Joe's personas. Let's see what it does. Oh my God, this is so good. Look how it's doing it. I'll create 10 different personas for Faggy based on her LinkedIn profile and give Magician's business following Joe's framework. Wow. Can you separate each persona into its own artifact and make it available as an independent persona? Here we go. Oh my God, look at that. It's making each one independent. So good. Each artifact contains a comprehensive framework for each persona. Better yet, make me a separate prompt that would allow anyone to use their own framework to create all 10 personas. Let's see what it does here. Let's see what let's see what we did here. 10 persona types to generate: short persona, storytelling, industry expert persona, seasonal timely persona, customer success persona, sustainability persona, innovation trends persona, data persona, event community persona, premium executive persona, implementation instructions. For each persona, adapt base template, define specific content themes. Wow, this is a lot. Voice guidelines, usage tips, rotate personas based on content goals, audience needs, platform context. Okay. If I only wanted to create 3 personas for someone to train AI on for LinkedIn, what personas would you recommend I create? I'm thinking 1, a general commenting persona, 2, a unique posting creating persona, and 3, a great persona for telling stories. What do you think? Let's see. Act as name company, under 25 words, style guidelines, training, examples, content persona for posts, act as name, structure, storytelling persona, share compelling stories. Wow. For all personas, voice consistency, content rules, training process. See, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to easily make personas for people to use. And I want to make it really, really easy for people to go in and get a persona, go in, get the persona, and go out. Let me see. What are the elements to the most ideal persona? catchphrases, common analogies, emoji usage, formatting preferences, content strategy, content types, engagement rules, interaction boundaries, personal brand, technical elements. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. What if we don't want to overwhelm someone and we want a simple, easy to use persona framework that is not advanced and anyone can customize? For example, act as Joe Apfelbaum, CEO of Evie AI. He is conversational and uses fourth grade English level to educate in an inspiring way. Do not use corporate jargon. Let's see. Super simple LinkedIn persona. Act as your company, about me, what I do, how I help, what I love, my style. Be friendly, share examples, things I talk about, things I don't talk about. Wow. That's nice. That's a pretty simple persona. What do you guys think of that? You like it? Let's try this. Make a persona for Faggy based on this. Wow. This is really good. Let me find Faggy real quick. And let me send her this persona. I'm going to go in here. Message Faggy. Done. I got to remove some connections real quick. By the way, if you're watching this live, say I'm watching this live. I'm curious to know who's actually watching this right now. It looks like somebody reposted this. Michael, reposting has always been value in the connections, keeping an eye out for good stuff. Thank you. I failed to post that comment. Oh, looks like I have 4 people watching. Oh my God. Ooh, let me create one for Alan Cutter real quick. Okay, I need to remove some connections real quick. Let me just go in here and remove a few connections. Let me show you how I do this. I'm going to go to my connections. I'm going to search Michael because I have way too many Michaels. I'm going to search Michael, Michael. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, these are all the Michaels I'm connected to right now. Let's see. Michael, hope your year has started off great. I wanted to let you know that my AI for LinkedIn is really popping, and I am having a training this week for 2 hours. Let me know if you would like to be a guest to a future LinkedIn training session. Control A, Control C. Okay, so now I wrote this email. Hope you guys started off there great. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to send this to all these Michaels. So how many Michaels can I send it out to? Let's test this out. Let's go to clock. Let's put in the clock. What is going on? Why is the clock not opening? Clock, 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 tick tock. Oh, here we go. Clock, reset the clock, put it up here, go. All right, let's just see. Let's see how many people I can send this to. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I know for some people it's very boring to be doing this, but for me, I love walking over to each person and gracing them with my presence and seeing the last message that I sent to people here. Just like this, you see I sent each one of these a message, and many of these people have not yet responded to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start removing some Michaels. If someone did not respond to me and I sent them a message, then I'm going to remove them eventually. I sent him a how you doing, and he hasn't responded to me. Let's see. Looking forward to chatting in the new when I'm back. All right, let's see. Let us see, let us see, let us see how many people. So far, 19 people in 2 minutes. That is not bad. Not bad at all. Michael Rosner. Michael Zwick. I see this guy, Michael Gross from AJ Madison. See you tomorrow. Michael Roderick. Michael Batalha. I got Michael Gerber from the E-Myth Revisited. Chances are, I mean, he is a pretty popular guy, but I don't know if he's actually active or not. Yeah. Do you know where my key is? I have to look for it. Give me a second. I'll be right back, guys. That wasn't that bad. I'm back. Let's just see how long that took. Hey, Carrie. Hey, Hemang. Long time no see. How you doing? All right, let's keep messaging people. How many messages do you guys send out a day? Let's see. With that little stop. Not right now. Okay, good. So this guy said not right now. Michael Roadblatt. Who is this Michael Royblatt guy? Did he ever send me a message back? I'm just going to remove him for now because I need to make room for others and he doesn't have a photo. And I'm also going to remove Michael McDonald, the real estate agent. Michael Waldner. Did he ever respond to me? No. I'm going to send him one last message and then I'm going to remove him. Michael Pachuna. Let's see. He joined some beta program, so let's just see what he does. Michael Prover. Michael Wine. Michael Wyatt. He's very famous. I doubt he's the one actually looking at my stuff. Michael Tenenbaum. Michael Beckerman. Michael Kempner. Wow, I haven't talked to him since 2008. Michael Simmons, I remember him. Michael Neiman. I got to get rid of some of these Michaels. I have way too many Michaels. Michael Jones. Michael Coleman. How much? Oh, look at that. This guy wanted to chat with me and I never even connected with him. I'm going to tell my assistant to... He said he was interested in Pro. So I got to go back and see if he wants to join one of my sessions. Michael Feldman. And I say, do you know him? I'm going to use Evie AI because obviously I don't know how to type without Evie AI. Do you know this guy? And now I'm going to go back to this message over here. Copy this. And I'll keep messaging Michaels. Now, let me ask you a question. Have you ever spent 5 to 10 minutes sending messages to people on LinkedIn? Most people have not done that. Most people haven't spent 5 minutes sending messages to people on LinkedIn. What do you think is going to happen if you literally spend 5 minutes sending out 50 messages? to like 50 Michaels that you have or 50 Veronicas. Think about that for just a minute, what the opportunity is for you. I had to step away for just a minute, but even if it takes you 10 minutes or 15 minutes to do it, think about the possibility for what you can create for yourself if you actually do the outreach on a regular basis, whether it's making phone calls, whether it's sending direct messages to people. Most people are just never going to do it. They're never going to spend 5 to 10 minutes sending out messages to their connections and building those relationships. So, yeah, I did this for this guy over here, and this guy became a client. En la mesa? Gracias. Not a fit right now. No problem. I'm still going to invite him to an event. Now you just keep going through this until you get to the bottom. And then you just keep messaging people. What does it say over here? Michael Winner. So let me break down. Let me get back to what I was doing before. Let me go back, send a couple of these messages to these people. This guy responded to me. Michael Anthony. Who's Michael Sherlock? It's been a year. All right, so that was 10 minutes. And I sent out, look how many messages I sent out in just 10 minutes. Look at this. That's about 50 messages. And look at these people. Thank you, always, brother. You make excellent content. Amber said, hey, Joe, hope you had a great year. Are you using our technology? Banny Vermont said, great catching up with you. Looking forward to collaborating. Have a great trip. Dina says, was having lunch with Winnegar. She recommended that I connect with you. I have not had a chance to look at it yet. I'm going to say X demo and send her this message here. Yo Israel said, thanks. I'm going to go here. Michael Kiner said, yes. The next session is Wednesday at 10 a.m. EST for 2 hours. Okay, let's just see if he decides to say yes. This right here is a massive opportunity for me with Michael Craner. I happen to know who he is. I happen to have a relationship with him. He's a CEO of a multi-million-dollar business. And as a result of me just sending out that message to 50 people, he responded. I have been yes. I think it's time to renew. We do have a deal going on when you upgrade to our newest option, which is Pro. I'm going to send you a quick video that describes the difference. So check this out. I'm going to go to Loom. I'm going to go to my Loom videos. Benefits of upgrading to EVAI Pro. I'm going to grab this video here. And I'm going to send it to this woman here. And then I'm going to go into EVAI. and I'm going to add it as a link. Log into Evi AI. I'm going to add it as a template here on the templates. New. Evi AI Pro. It's a Loom video, and here's a link to the Loom video. So now I have this little Loom video here that describes the bonus. You see? And if I want to see all my Loom videos, I click on Loom. That's crazy that I have a template now that I can use anywhere on the internet. I really like this simple persona framework. I like this. I'm going to go here and I'm going to post this as a post on LinkedIn. ¿Qué? Gracias. ¿Qué? Gracias. Yep. Give me 3 more minutes. All right, let's see if we can take the framework from here, put it into Napkin. Let's see what this looks like. I'm making a infographic now. All right, let's go here. Let's use this image. Okay, now I'm going to go here. I'm going to copy this framework, paste it in the comments here. And there you go. I just created a massive, beautiful persona. And I'm going to tell it that I just improved it. I'm going to go back to my profile. Guys, let me know what city you're dialing in from if you're watching this live. I got to wrap up in just a few minutes. If you have any questions about what I'm doing, just let me know in the chat. Say I have questions. And then I'm going to go here. Ooh, this is good. Ooh, this is good. This is very good. I'm going to put this in the comments of this post here. Oh, too long. What a shame. Oh my God, what should I remove? Okay, that worked. Vancouver, Canada. I was just in Vancouver. It was so nice in Vancouver. Ooh, was it nice. By the way, you like what I'm doing? Do you like watching me work? If you like it, just tell me right I like it in the chat. Himeng Cha. There he is. From Vancouver, Canada. Let's send him a message. Crazy. It's crazy how people respond. They're like, oh, yeah, I'm interested. I want to join. I want to do business with you. I just reach out to a bunch of people, spend a couple minutes, and then boom, people are like, yeah, I want to join. It's insanity. I love it so much. So powerful. And over the next couple of hours, more and more people are going to want to have a conversation with me. So, yeah, I'm feeling very grateful that I can do that. Amelia said she viewed my profile. She's a lead and sales navigator. Let's see. So I did Faggy's. Let me do Dr. Amin's using that specific format. I'm going to go ahead and grab his entire profile. Copy. And let's go back to Claude. Can you make the format? Oh, let's try it in a new one. In a new Claude. Let's go to new Claude. Create a persona for this LinkedIn user with this format. All right, let's grab the format from my profile. Let's go to my profile from right here and grab the format. It's right here. I'm almost done, Chama. Let's see what it is. Wow. This is very, very good. This is very good. I'm gonna message him. And then we're gonna do one for Tomer as well. Copy profile. Do the same thing. We're actually going to open up EviAI's templates. Oh, we don't have the templates here. We have the templates here. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful people. Beautiful people. Oh my God, that was so good. I did that so quickly. Very nice. Anyway, I hope this is helpful for you guys. I hope you learned something today. If you want me to create your persona, just write in the chat, create my persona, and I'll create yours really simply. Or I'll send you a link where you just create your own. All right. Thank you.